Parent survival mode. Let's do this. Maybe I can get through this recording without getting interrupted. So I had leftover purple onion, Roma tomatoes, spinach. That's asparagus that I'm chopping. I'm just going to roast that on the roasting pan for her dinner. This is all for Ashton. Although I did get some leftovers for lunch, so I was pretty excited about that. That's English cucumber, and that's going in that big bowl with whole grain pasta. And there's her shrimp that I'm cooking. Here's her chicken for dinner. Here's the bacon for everybody's bagels. And I am just slowly putting together this lunch for her. So, oh, there's the spinach. Yeah. So I use the rest of the spinach in that bag to wilt in with the chicken, and that's going to mix in with her dinner. Her dinner doesn't have that much rainbow in it, but her lunch does. So I'm okay with it. And it's just extra vitamins. So cool. Now, I made I made 24 bagels. Each person has bagels. Ashton and I both have whole grain. Andy, I didn't torture her with it. So that's all of Ashton's lineup for the week. And now I'm just finishing. That's Andy's bagels. It might be mine. I don't know. But I take a marker and I write initials on it so that we know, oh, those are mine. Okay. Now I am figuring out what we're going to have for dinner. I have chicken defrosting. I'm pulling out just things that I have. I'm about to just make this whole recipe up. And you know what? It's going to be fun. I have leftover broccoli in there. Cool. Taking off the apron for now. Clocking out.